Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how much Robinhood Gold costs for Robinhood Banking and your overall account access. Robinhood Gold is priced at either $5 per month or $50 annually. Because access to Robinhood Banking and its related features requires an active Robinhood Gold subscription. This fee acts as the baseline cost to unlock and maintain your banking services. When you subscribe, you also unlock standard Robinhood Gold features such as high-yield annual percentage yield on uninvested cash, professional research tools, larger instant deposits, a higher IA match, and interest-free margin up to your first $1,000. New users can typically access a 30-day free trial before billing begins, though choosing certain specific bundled paths like the credit card may require opting directly into the annual fee structure. If you want to use the banking platform and its perks, budgeting for that $5 monthly rate or the $50 yearly rate is required. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.